The brain and mind love to keep things interesting, and nowhere is that clearer than in the world of enactive psychiatry and ecosocial psychiatry. Instead of treating the mind as a detached spectator, these approaches see it as a deeply entangled with the environment, extended, embedded, and embodied. Predictive processing and active inference remind us that our brains are incessantly active, constantly building internal models of the environment, guessing what comes next, and adjusting when reality proves them wrong. It's like living with a predictive mind that never quite stops running simulations. Cognitive science adds to this twist. From unconscious inference to cognitive dualism, while activists talk about autopoiesis and affordances, the opportunities for action that the world offers us, a brain-body landscape of affordances is never static. It's shaped by social, cultural, political, normative, affective, and social structural factors. Cultural, ecosocial, and social contextual forces read into the mix, reminding us that cognition is not just knowledge farming, but also social interactions, cultural history, and the broader social world we inhabit. Genes and cells join the story too, with expression, acetylation, methylation, mutation, and transcription shaping how biology meets environment. Environmental balance influences behavior, and therapies like needle therapy or even creative tools like collateral collection, collaxation, interviews, rating scales, experimental modeling, simulations, and soft GIS show how flexible psychiatry can be when it embraces both science and context. Affordance detection systems help us navigate the ambient energy distribution of the world, reading environmental layouts from our observation points. Optic flow, kinesthetic, muscular kinesthesis, and extraceptive signals guide us through our ecological niches. When these systems falter, as in apraxia, the brain's ability to perform smooth sensor-motor transformations is challenged, but even then the story is one of adaptation. Social decision-making depends on recognition, integration with sensory cues, and the selection of behavioral choices. Experience-dependent internal processes shape the structure of circuits, while olfactory and vomeronasal inputs, somatosensory stimulation, and chemosensory cues feed into regions of the medial amygdala and posterior ventral areas. These signals help us decide not just what to do, but how to feel about it. In the end, whether we're talking about predictive minds, cultural, eco-social landscapes, or the subtle dance of sensory information, the message is playfully but profound. The brain and body are never just reacting, they are actively creating a world weaving together biology, culture, and environment into the endlessly fascinating fabric of human experience.